Accessing your climate screen is done on the middle section of this bar at the bottom. As you press it, this screen comes up, and on the left and the right, you can scroll these to control your temperature. And then at the top, you can scroll this section for your fan speed. When you click the seats option at the top, it will take you to this screen here, where you can operate your heated seats and your driver ventilated seats. So when you're driving and you don't have the accessibility to go on this climate screen, you can also operate them on the buttons just here. So this one there directs it up into the screen, and on your scroll wheel here, you can operate your fan speed. This button just to the right of that, which is auto, when you press that, on the scroll wheel, you can now operate your temperature. And again, for the fourth and final button, which is your wind speed just there.